DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Country people, una well done. Una welcome to DGM TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as it dey happen and as it dey hot.
DJ ATV.
In Igueben, where His Excellency the Governor of Edo State is being joined by His Excellency the Governor of Delta State, Dr. Gov Okowa, in Igueben, Ward 8 and Ward 9, Igueben Local Government, Edo State. What a show of friendship.
His Excellency Gov Obaseki, Deputy Governor of Nigerian, arriving here in EDO, received the governor here in EDO, a show of friendship, a show of
Let's go. Hey, mama. Anywhere
Not be so. We want here for Benin City. Protocol! Part of the people! Part of the women! Part of the youth! Women are here! Youth are here! Do! Thank you. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki, Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Delta State, Senator Gov Okowa. Let me use this opportunity to appreciate you for the time you have waited for us. We want to thank you for your support and your love. Your Excellency, the good people of Ward 9, they've always voted PDP. Your Excellency, we are happy to have your brother and your colleague to come and show support and solidarity for our campaign. Your Excellency, the Governor of Delta State, we welcome you. I have a very strong message that even Ward 10, they are very much here with us. Not be so? Your Excellency, there is nothing much to say here. The people here are PDP. Not be so? 4+4. No, I don't hear that. I don't say una sabi arithmetic. 4+4. Yes, sir. Okay, youth. Hello. Your Excellency, there is no doubt that the good work you've done in the past 4 years is what is working for you in Edo State. I've had opportunity to talk to leaders across the state, and they are all in support of your re-election. So all I can say is that you must continue the good work you are doing. What is good is, and what is more, is enjoying the support of his very able deputy, capable, loyal, committed, the leader of you. Una go pepper them with my vote. Now, Before I will introduce the governor, I want to use the opportunity to bring our amiable governor of Delta State. Hello. The governor of Delta State sees this place as his own place. He's been part of this community. He has rendered services to these people, and they love him, he loves you. Your Excellency, please talk to your people.
I know, because I've been following through, that EDO has always delivered for the PDP. I am very proud of EDO people, and I thank you. But I also heard that some of our brothers left the PDP. They said they were going on a wrong journey. But I know that the youth of EDO, the women of EDO, and the elders of EDO are with the PDP. So when the governor told me he was coming to EDO, I said I needed to come and see it with my own eyes. I haven't come here. I am satisfied that you are with the PDP. I know that people will come in and tell you that they will use money because some of our sons have missed roads on the other side. Some will say they will use stocks. Do not be afraid, because on the day of the election I'll be here. On the day of the election I'll be here personally.
I did election, I'm not fit up to you now.
Please go and tell our brothers and sisters and our youth that Dr. Okowa, the governor of Delta State, will be here. Because I'm part of you. Do not be afraid of anybody. And I just said, let me come with the governor first. After this, I'm coming on my own visit. And I want to plead with our youth. Do not be deceived. They may come into trust for small money. Do not be deceived. When I come, I am coming not just for the PDP youths. Organize all your community youths. I want to see everybody. Because I know that Gov Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, is a good man. If he's not a good man, I will not be here. Secondly, the whole of South is now made up of PDP governors only. There are 6 states in the South, and I'm the current chairman of the Governors Forum of the South. We do not want those states to go onto another party anymore. We want every South governor to belong to the same party. And that is why we are interested, but I am particularly interested. And I'm pleading with all of us. Those of you here, we know you are voting for him, but we want you to go from home to home, from person to person, to campaign. Even to those ones who have gone the wrong path, campaign to them and bring them back. For those that you're finding difficult to reach, let me know, because I'll be coming back. But do not be afraid, as I said, because whatever they want, we will give it to them. I am convinced that with this vantage position, the youth that I see here, there is no reason to be afraid. Nobody can oppress you on that day of election. I want all the votes in Ekpom to go to the PDP and to go to the governor and his deputies for their good name. It is not easy. It is not easy for a governor to campaign from ward to ward. It's not easy. Even in Delta State, with all our movements, we have never done it. For a governor to move from ward to ward. Most of them don't go to the headquarters, and that is the end. But here he's coming from ward to ward because he wants to see you and you will see him. And then he brings you closer to each other. And I believe that in his second tenure, he's going to do much better than he did in the past. The one good thing, I know your sons and daughters will be there, but I will also be a representative of ECMO to remind him that the special grace of God, it shall be well with each and every one of us. We will listen to him. I will come back again and we'll sit down and do our quarter to thing. God bless you all.
Your Excellency, we want to thank you for that very powerful speech. See very clearly that one with God is with the majority. The majority of the people of this world and Ward 10 is spoken. They are with our governor. Not be so. So now I want to invite our governor, the man who believes in the development of our state, the man who has said no to those who want him to share Edo State money among few people. He believes that Edo must move forward. Forward ever. Move forward. Not it so. I'm informed that on behalf of APC leaders in Ward 9 and 10, they have nominated 2 people to come forward to formally declare for PDP today. They are impressed with the good work the governor is doing. They are encouraged that with the governor, better things and better days are ahead of us. That is why the leader of APC, please come. Don't waste time. Because Edo must move forward. Just tell them your name, your position. PDP. PDP. PDP.
Extra power to the people. My name is Fred Isichei Emefiele. I am born and bred up here in Ekmo from Unit 7, Igueben village. I am somebody who have always been a PDP fanatic. But along the line, we moved over to APC. But today, because of the giant stride of the governor, the wait and see governor, the suave and obey governor, the technocrat even par excellence, I decided with other people, they are not here today because this is a working time. But I can assure you at the end of the day, especially on the 19th of September, PDP is a goal. I want to leave it as it is because I know there is no time for us. But the only thing I'm imploring the governor, and I know he's going to win, there's no doubt about that. He must come to the needs of the people. I know he will address it. Thank you very much.
Dynamic and focused governor of Delta State and Edo State. You are welcome to Ward 10, Igueben local government. You are welcome to Igueben local government. You agree with me that today is history in the making. With the sea of heads I've seen here, you also agree with me that PDP is the positive direction in terms of growth and development, in terms of party administration. Without positive administration in any system, people don't zigzag. PDP is not a party of gangsterism. PDP is not a party of agberoism. Once again, I want to assure you, I want to put it to you that 4 plus 4 is constant. Even in heaven, 4 plus 4 is constant. Finally, I want to thank any one of you here present. You are welcome. Positive direction. My name, sorry for that, is Austin Okowa. Austin Okowa, Austin from Ward 5 here in Unit 5. I was formerly Supervisory Councillor of Education in the Igueben local government under the able leadership of Honorable Felix Omi, who is here with us. You are welcome, sir. I want to, in praise of all of you here, I want to give APC a befitting burial.
You can now see that the governor is doing very well. More and more people are joining PDP across the 18 local governments because of his good work. So when I say for good education, I will say Obaseki. For good education, good roads, youth employment, women empowerment, you and I, everybody, Obaseki. I can't hear you. PDP. Women, oh yeah. The youth, oh yeah. What then, oh yeah. What then, oh yeah. Like somebody said, what 9? What 9, oh yeah! Okay. Echo, you are very, very, very lucky. In all my movements, I have not seen one ward where two governors will come and address you. So, let me give 3 voters to my brother from Delta.
You know, they say I cannot campaign for here because when I don't decide. Make I not campaign here. Make I carry go. Make I carry go. I go carry go. But before I go, I own. They say one good turn, one good turn. So this is my promise. I don't listen. I did read in the letters. I know say electricity, light, na big problem for Ekpon. And also for Ward 9, Igueben, I know say light na big problem for this area. But una know what? Una know what? Hello? Hello? Una know what? Una see this my brother when they here? I know. The first private hospital for Ekpon, then bring am. I know now. That's why when I tell him say they come Ekpon, he say he must come because he won't come meet the people. Eh? You say? Okay. PDP. Una no wan hear what I'm going to do for now. So I don't say light na problem for here. Between me and my brother, we don't already dey work on how to make sure say the distribution company bring light to our people. Not only for Edo, but also for Delta. We just say we no get water. I know say many roads dey when we still got to build. This Sula road, I know. We need to take and go Delta, not be so. We need to take and go Delta, not be so. Now because of that income, he said when I do the one from Edo reach Delta border, he will take am from Delta border, go Delta. But una hand na e dey. You know what it? Now una hand e dey. All these promise, if una want, make it happen. If una want, make we go forward for Edo. Now una hand e dey. Una know what to do on September 19th. Una get to come use una power, and that una power na PVC. Una PVC na una power. Come that day and come and vote for PDP. PDP. PDP.
DJ ATV.
No, I can't born again.
Why?
Because we Ghanaians, you know, we are facing problem. If I want to born again, I have to ask my wife before I born again. For the last 2 years, we go and do that family planning. So we are planning about our family. So I can't born again.
No, I mean like you are born again. Born again.
I can't born again. Please. I have 5 children. I should born again. Oh.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.